Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable frame rate limits on the Nightmares 3. Let's begin! First of all, you want to go into the settings. Then let's navigate into our video tab. And at the bottom we have frame rate limits currently being set to off. This means that our computer will try to generate as many frames as physically possible. Of course, this will result in many different dropdowns and highs and all of different things, and if you want to have a stable performance, you can always enable the limit for the frame rate. By default you have it set to none, but you can always set it to 30, 60, 85, 120, 144 and finally 244. Of course, on many older displays, the 60 refresh rate is actually the max refresh rate that you have on your monitor, but there are many different monitors with 144 frame rate, which you can always set as well, and I think that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.